Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that has been making waves in the world of hair restoration, the iRestore Essential Laser Hair Growth System. Whether you're struggling with hair thinning, receding hairlines, or even alopecia, this FDA-cleared device promises to stimulate hair growth and help you regain fuller, denser hair. Let's take a closer look at how it performs and whether it's the right solution for you. The iRestore Essential is a laser cap designed to treat hair loss with low-level laser therapy, LLT. It's FDA-cleared and clinically studied, claiming to work for both men and women experiencing hair thinning and balding. The device is built for at-home use, offering a hands-free, comfortable, and lightweight solution for stimulating hair follicles to promote growth. According to the product description, users can expect to see visible results in as little as 3 to 6 months. Though, of course, results will vary from person to person. There's also a 6-month money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied, with a 10% restocking fee applied to returns. Now, I've had the chance to use the iRestore cap for a while, and here's what I found. First off, the setup is incredibly easy. Just put the cap on, turn it on, and you're good to go. There's no need for constant hand movement, which you get with other laser combs or brushes, so you can go about your day while the device does its job. The cap is lightweight, and I didn't experience any discomfort while wearing it for the recommended 25-minute sessions. Plus, the fact that it's hands-free makes it a more convenient option compared to other methods. As for real-world effectiveness, I did notice some improvements in my hair's texture after about 2 months. While I haven't seen dramatic regrowth yet, the overall density of my hair seems to have increased. I can tell that the hair feels fuller and healthier. However, I haven't seen the massive transformation that some users report, so patience is key here. Results vary, and some people may see faster progress than others. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the iRestore Essential is easy to use and comfortable, which makes it a great option for those looking to restore their hair without the hassle of other treatments. It's a clinically backed solution, and the hands-free design is a huge win for convenience. On the downside, it's not a quick fix, and you have to be committed to using it for several months before you see noticeable results. Plus, it's not cheap, so the investment might not be justified for everyone. When considering value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. The iRestore cap is on the pricier side compared to some other hair regrowth treatments, but it's also a more advanced solution. For those willing to invest in a clinically tested, non-invasive method, it might be worth it. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are cheaper alternatives out there, though they might not offer the same level of coverage or effectiveness. In terms of build quality, the iRestore cap is solid. It's made in GMP-certified facilities, so you can trust the manufacturing standards. The cap feels durable and is designed to last, and the lightweight design makes it comfortable to wear for extended periods. If you're considering alternatives, other laser hair growth systems on the market might be cheaper, but they often lack the full coverage and convenience that iRestore offers. Comparatively, some cheaper options might require more hands-on work, such as combs or brushes, and these don't offer the same hands-free experience. Now, customer support is worth mentioning. While I didn't personally need to reach out, iRestore has a reputation for offering solid support, and the fact that they offer a 6-month money-back guarantee adds a level of trust and assurance for potential buyers. To wrap it up, the iRestore Essential Laser Hair Growth System is a promising option for those struggling with hair thinning. It's easy to use, convenient, and clinically backed. However, you need to be patient and ready to commit to long-term use. If you're looking for a no-fuss, hands-free method to combat hair loss and you're okay with the price tag, it's definitely worth considering. But if you're not willing to make that investment, you might want to explore other, more affordable treatments. If this review was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other people dealing with hair loss can find this video too. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to the product in the comments box below. If you already have the iRestore system or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay confident, and remember, hair goals are just a cap away with Beautyistic.